Boom TV show.
Okay, this week's episode is Return of the Buddy Buddy Temple of Doom. And this is...
That was one of the season 1 episodes,
season
wasn't
1 episode. They don't really go to the temple that is in season 1.
Mm-hmm.
This is just like an adventure episode. So what happens is that Eggman decides that he needs to build himself a mech suit to compete with Sonic. So he builds himself one.
Yeah.
Very powerful, high-powered. Turns out he can't power it because it needs too much energy. So he decides to go find this tunnel crystal to power it up.
Gotcha. So he's after a power source. Oh, here we go. We got screenshots. I'm guessing it looks a little bit like the Egg Walker, doesn't it? In the that way, the top left. A little like almost like a Sonic 2 evolution. A little more buff than fat. He's talking with Amy?
That's Egg Robot, you're calling it. Egg Walker is
Well, like I
Sonic
told-
Adventure.
Oh, that's true. That's true.
Talking to Amy because he's had a hard time battling Sonic, and he's feeling kind of low, so I'm trying to give him some advice.
What's Tails' hat? The chat is actually commenting. Is that? That's not what I think it is it?
You have to watch to find out.
What is that?
The greatest partnership no one saw coming. That I'd be okay with that. That'd be cool. Well, we know which team Tails is. That's for sure.
Yeah.
There we go. That's
Instinct for life.
That's cool. It's really too bad he doesn't survive after the next 3 episodes. We timed everything so the show has the same moment with Tails as the games do. So it's gonna be an
I
interesting
see a
moment.
lot of people commenting Valor. Oh, we got a gang war going on in both chats.
Here we go.
There
We
we
started
go.
something accidentally with this screenshot.
1 year later.
And that episode's coming up this Saturday?
This Saturday at 6 p.m. on Boomerang.
On Boomerang. Awesome. Okay. Well,
Yeah.
anything else you want to mention while you're here?
Well, the Dome at Comic-Con, we're having a special screening of Robots from the Sky.
Cool.
So you'll be able to experience Robots from the Sky in this 360.
Like a giant projection?
Yes, giant